Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 23-0736. This is what they call a locking nut. This is nothing other than a device by which you can secure a mortise cylinder through a trim. A very typical and common piece of equipment that you're going to find throughout the industry, whether it be attaching a mortise cylinder through like an exit device trim, or on the back of a surface mounted alarm, or cylinder dogging would be very typical, where you're going to install the cylinder through the rail of the exit device, and then this nut will come up. This is also called a castle nut. If you use your imagination, you can see kind of why it's called a castle nut. And it would take a wrench called a castle wrench to install these. Castle nuts are also seen in grade 2, possibly grade 1 lever construction on lock sets. They'll have the outside trim will come in, the latch bolts in, the outside trim, the inside trim comes on, and you take your locking nut with your castle wrench, your castle nut and castle wrench, and tighten that down is where you'll see it. This is going to be a typical 1 5/32 of an inch thread type for typical mortise locks. Is where you're going to is the standard for the cylinder on this. Outside diameter of the 23-07, what do we call this, 0736? Outside diameter is 1.292. Thickness of the ring, 0.19. ID, and just for the sake of giving you all the dimensions, the ID is 1.124 inch. Okay. This is an Adams Rite product. This is used in their trims and their cylinder dogging of their exit devices, but a common design that you'll see, so I'm sure you'll be able to use this sort of castle nut or locking ring in other applications. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, and parts manual is also there for your review. Doesn't have everything in it, but it has lots of sub-part assemblies of items with a bill of materials there as well to much of their product line, although unfortunately not all of it. Any questions on the Adams Rite? This is their part number 23-0736 locking nut, or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.